Barry, Barbara, Barry. Ben and Lisa and Maggie too. The Bearsons.
Oh, hi everybody, I'm Barry, and welcome to the Bearsons Shorts. Well then, today I'm just... What on earth was that? Oh, that's what I was saying. Oh my goodness, looks like I got the hiccups. Oh man, I think I got hiccups.
Oh, alright, I'm coming. Oh, hey Barry, what's wrong?
Well, you see,
Oh my goodness! Sounds like you've got a bit of a hiccups.
hiccups?
Yes, hiccups.
Oh no, is it bad?
Well, it's not exactly bad. Obviously, you must have drunk a bit too fast recently.
What do you mean by that?
Well, the important thing is that you really shouldn't have drunk so fast. No wonder you're going to get a hiccups.
Sorry, bad.
Oh, don't you worry. Well, I'm sure we'll find some cure.
Yeah, like what?
Like getting you a glass of water.
But you said that not to drink that fast.
Oh, yeah. Tell you what, Barry, I think I can help you with that.
What can you do to help?
Well, first of all, Barry, you need to hold your breath for at least 10 seconds.
Okay.
Right, and I'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right, breathe out.
Hey, what do you know? No more. Oh dear.
Oh, well, that didn't work. Let me see. What's the best cure for hiccups? Ah, I got it. Hey, Dad. What is it, son? Barry called you a dubber. I didn't call it that. Barry!
Oh my goodness. Oh, well that sort of scared me a bit. Hang on. Two things first. Hey, my hiccups are gone. Woohoo! But as for the second, yikes! Oh dear. See ya.
Ow! Are you alright, Barry?
I'm okay, Dad. I'm okay, Uncle Andy. I didn't actually call you that. It was Ben who just thinks that I called you a Dumbo when I'm not. When I know you're not a Dumbo.
Alright. Ben? Why did you just blame it onto your cousin for? Well, I wasn't blaming on him, Dad. I was just trying to get you to scare Barry. You see, he had those hiccups. Oh, hiccups? Is it true, Barry? Did you have the hiccups?
Yes, I did, Uncle Andy. But then I had to fell on the floor. It was a bit of a shock. Oh yeah, and thank you, Andy, for scaring me. And you scared my hiccups away.
You're welcome, Barry. Well, I'm glad that scared you off a bit. Oh, alright then, Barry. I really am sorry if I scared you too much.
No. It's fine, Uncle Andy. It's fine indeed. Alright, you can leave me to it, and I will not drink too fast.
Good. And as for you, Ben. Auntie? Remember, no grunting. Sorry, Barbara. Ben? Yes, Dad? Go to your room for a timeout. Very well. Well, bye-bye, everybody. See you next time. Bye-bye. Well, at least that was well worth the effort. And bye-bye for me, Andy Bash.
Yeah, and bye-bye for me, Barry, the little star.
End of a short.